What are we doing today?
Today, Karthigai Deepam is coming, no? So in this month, Karthigai Deepam is Paurnami, everything is coming on Sunday.
Okay.
For Tirunamala Deepam will be on Sunday, and we have Vishnu Deepam next day.
Okay.
That will be on Monday.
Okay.
So for both days we will light the lamp. On Sunday we will do this Pori and all.
Okay.
For
Okay.
Karthigai Deepam, but that is for Deepam. This is a festival.
Okay. Fine.
Lamp.
Okay.
Light the lamp and we have to do Pori Urundai, everything. Now we have to do 3 types of Pori Urundai.
Okay. So this is the first type.
Aval Pori, Nel Pori.
Okay.
This is the Poha will tell, no?
Ha 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 ha.
Poha. They have nicely fried it again.
Okay. Okay.
Poha
Okay.
Puri and Nel Puri. That I have shown them. Poha Puri.
Okay.
I have taken in this 2 tumblers.
Okay. Fine.
And in this, for that, the jaggery is 1 tumbler.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I told you, even if it is remaining, no need to bother. You can use it for another thing.
Sure.
So 2:1.
Okay.
We have to keep first drain it, nicely melt it, filter it, and then make pagu.
Okay.
Pagu is very round. If you put it on the stage, no, on the plate, sound will come.
Okay.
That much.
It has to boil.
Consistency must come.
Okay. And
This
the rest?
is chukku puri. Chukku puri is why means whenever you eat the jaggery sweets, no, and drink water. And another one thing, when you eat this puri, don't drink water immediately. You will get mouth sore and
Oh.
after some time. For that, we are adding chukku puri.
Okay. Fine.
And this is as usual cardamom. And this coconut, some of them will put, some of them won't put. But we will all put this.
Okay. Fine.
And nicely we'll fry it and we'll add in this.
Okay.
This is ghee. When you are making the balls, no, we have to apply in our hands.
Okay. Let's start then.
Simple item only.
Okay. Okay.
Try this for just already it is fried, no? Just 2 minutes. Anything if you fry it and make, I told, no?
Just roasting up.
Just making it heat. That's all. This is poha puri. Poha they have already fried into that. For 1 tumbler water. We have taken to
1 tumbler good. Good we say it in Hindi. Jaggery.
Jaggery. Now first let us melt it.
Okay.
Let this get melted.
Okay.
Then now let us add this cardamom powder here.
Okay.
And
the
chukku
coconut
powder.
also we have ordered.
Added. The chukku powder. Coconut also we have added.
Okay.
Chukku powder also.
Okay.
This ghee, when we are making the balls, we can
Urunda.
use it.
Sure.
That's how this work is. Now I didn't make pak with that consistency. I'm going to filter it because there will be mud, some things and all inside this.
Okay. So
First
after you filter
filtering
only
it,
you can
again we have
mark.
to make it very thick liquid.
Okay.
Now see, I have filtered everything. There will be little mud, some pieces will be there.
Okay.
The straw and all will be there. Because for the hot jaggery, they will catch the straw only and touch it. Making of jaggery is very difficult. There will be mud in this.
So you have to wash it before you make the pak.
Otherwise, no, in that not only this thick consistency. Now see how liquid it is. After 10 minutes, you see, it will take at least 10 to 10 minutes.
Okay, fine.
Let us wait for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Again, I will do on Sunday, ma. You know, let us mix first before putting the jaggery consistency. Then only we get mix so evenly.
I can smell the cardamom powder.
Yeah. Otherwise, no, it will stop in one place itself.
Okay.
Or you can do like this also. Like this come, the consistency has come. What means you put this inside.
Okay.
And nicely take in the hand. And after 1 minute, we'll switch off this also. 1 minute. 1 minute. Can you hear? This sound. This is the consistency.
Okay.
Then only the ball will come.
Okay.
Now, we'll put little by little. That is the consistency. If the consistency does not come, the balls won't come. Now mix it. If you want, we can again mix it.
This itself is enough. I think.
You can put more also. This is Jaggery's Pagu Jaggery they will tell. Like this, if we have spoons and make no, it will be nicely we can. But it may one thing, if it is hot only we can make balls. Immediately I make balls.
Okay.
Some of them will use rice flour also.
Okay.
But instead of rice flour, now we can.
When it is hot only, we have to gotta make the ball. You're hot.
First, my mother-in-law what she will do, no? Like this cone she will make. I am putting this ghee means the taste will be nice.
Okay.
I am making big. Afterwards, you see, it will come nicely.
Lovely.
Days over. I told you
ready.
what is the consistency. Again, I am showing one time. See, can you hear? This is here. If you put it here, this is the consistency.
If this doesn't come, the laddus will not come.
That is the consistency. When this comes, immediately switch off the stove.
Okay.
Switch off the stove. Then you will make it. I already told you, catch it hot.
Otherwise,
it
it will
becomes
not
cold,
come.
it will spread.
It will not come.
And with ghee, can you say also rice flour also? With ghee means the taste will be nice, smell will be nice.
Correct.
So, as usually I told you, 2 tumblers and 1 tumbler of
Jaggery.
That's all.
2 tumblers
This is the
pori.
main measurement.
Okay.
And half tumbler water. And the consistency is that one.
It has to make that sound. Tuck sound.
Now it must come. Tuck it must come. Then only
Great.
then only the pori also tuck it will be.
Now
See,
after
hear the pori sound?
it's already ready.
No, pori sound can you hear? Very
Perfect.
simple, very handy.
Great. This was actually very quick and
Can you see some of them won't get why means they don't know the consistency.
If we know these few points properly.
Tips is how they will say urunda pagu they will say. Some of them what will some ordinary urunda pagu also will come. You should tell them. So for puttu the urunda pagu is little different.
Correct.
No sound need not come. But for this puri, even for groundnut, I show that another one time. You go groundnut kadla urunda will say.
Okay.
That also same thing.
Okay.
Everything we can do in this step.
Okay.
Consistency is the thing. Okay. All of you light the lamp and get the blessings of.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for sharing this. You made it look very easy.
Easy. I let them all of them are asking how to do. Tell me the consistency. Tell me the way. I told them. I'll ask them to do it. Make it easy.
Okay. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.
Another video.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.